Okay, a really quick one here. So what we have here is just drones. Notice that this argument has to be this vector here, whatever you want to call it, all quotations. Why? Because these are nominal variables, categorical variables. They're drones, right? And they are real drones. So these are the targets hit. So if you're doing research with artificial intelligence in order to make life more efficient or killing, sorry, it's a national security class, it's a lamentable thing, but it basically, these are the targets hit. So it doesn't have to be killing, it could be weaponry, etc. So it's just a regular LM function. I want to explain really quick that I called it WOW, because WOW, these drones, LM, right? Drones, see, that's incorrect here. That's why I came up like this. So the dependent variable always has to come first. So targets hit is the dependent variable, the result, which drone type. Now there's only two, so you don't have to do a means, the Tukey test, etc. So then we put in the summary, and here it is. And it is statistically significant. 1 star, but still. So you see the switchable blade, some people got this wrong, is actually less because it has a negative mark, which means the other one, which the Bayraktar, that's from Turkey, is actually hitting more drones, and that's the base here, because B becomes before S in the alphabet, so drones. And this is the one I believe I got wrong. I said, let's take a look. So on the quiz, it said essentially that low at 0.2684, farther from 0, is what I put as correct. And as we know, that's not correct, so I gave everybody a 0.5. But everything else, I mean, it's still correct. This is still pretty low. It might be attributable to 15, 16, 17 data points. 15 plus 2, because you minus 1 for the independent variable, minus for the dependent variable, so that would be 17, 15. So 15 plus 2. And the residual standard error, not great. So it's like you see there's only 1 star here, but it's still doing much better. Not a bad t-value. Notice it's minus, right? Still doesn't hit 3, minus 3. But this seems to be pretty good as a number, saying, generally speaking, it's hitting a significant amount more. But regardless, remember the 0.05 threshold for a p-value is somewhat difficult to achieve, so you see that it is statistically significant. Now, and that's what I asked the question, B is before S. I want to, that's why this one is the base. B becomes before S. And it's alphabetical order. So that's a pretty interesting thing that artificial intelligence would do. Now, that's only 2 points. Don't worry, there's a ton of points in this class. No one probably needs the 0.5 to get an A. But at the same time, I still gave it to you because I did quickly put that incorrectly. And you did get it right. Take care, everyone.